All right, let's talk planks, everyone. This exercise is like the Swiss Army knife of fitness. It's simple, effective, and you can do it anywhere, no fancy equipment needed. Why the hype? Planking is a full-body workout disguised as a simple static hold. It's not just about abs. We're talking core strength, back health, even improved posture. Plus, it's a fantastic time-efficient workout. Can't spare an hour in the gym? No problem. Even a few minutes of planking can make a difference. Ready to dive in? Let's go. Don't underestimate the power of a 1-minute plank. As you hold that straight line from head to heels, you'll feel your muscles springing into action. Your abs, those deep core muscles we're targeting, start firing up. But it doesn't stop there. Your back muscles engage to keep you stable. Your shoulders work hard to hold you up, and even your glutes and legs join the party. 1 minute in, you might feel the burn, a slight tremble. That's your body working, building strength and endurance. Don't give up. Every second counts. 5 minutes of planking? Now we're talking. You're challenging your muscles to work harder for longer, building serious strength and stamina. Your metabolism gets a little boost too. By engaging more muscle groups, you burn more calories compared to some traditional AB exercises. Holding that plank for 5 minutes also improves your mind-muscle connection. You become more aware of your body, learning to engage the right muscles and maintain proper form. 10 minutes of planking is no easy feat. This is advanced territory requiring incredible strength, endurance, and mental focus. At this duration, your body is working overtime to stabilize and support itself. Your core muscles are pushed to their limits, developing incredible strength and definition. But remember, 10 minutes isn't a target for everyone. Listen to your body. If you're new to planking or have any physical limitations, work your way up gradually. Section 5, Plank versus the world, how it stacks up. So, how does planking measure up against other exercises? Well, it's a fantastic all-rounder. Compared to crunches or sit-ups, planks engage a wider range of muscles, giving you more bang for your buck. They're also easier on your spine, reducing the risk of strain or injury. Planking even benefits activities like running and swimming by improving your core stability and posture, leading to better form and performance. Section 6, Plank like a pro beginner, tips and tricks. Ready to conquer the plank? Fantastic! Here are a few tips to get you started. Form is key. Imagine a straight line running from your head to your heels. Keep your core engaged, glutes squeezed, and don't let your hips sag. Start small. Don't expect to hold a 5-minute plank on day one. Begin with 20 to 30-second holds and gradually increase your time as you get stronger. Focus on your breath. Breathe deeply and steadily throughout the plank. It helps engage your core and makes the hold feel easier. Remember, consistency is key. Even a few minutes of planking each day can make a difference. Section 7. Avoid planking up, common mistakes to dodge. Now let's talk about common planking mistakes to avoid. First, sagging hips. This puts strain on your lower back. Remember to keep those glutes squeezed and your core engaged. Next, sticking your bum in the air. This puts pressure on your shoulders and doesn't effectively work your core. Keep that straight line. And finally, holding your breath. Breathing is essential for any exercise. Focus on deep, steady breaths throughout your plank. Remember, quality over quantity. It's better to hold a shorter plank with perfect form than to struggle through a longer one incorrectly. Section 8. Listen to your body precautions and modifications. While planking is generally safe, it's important to listen to your body and take precautions. If you have any pre-existing conditions like lower back pain or wrist problems, consult with a doctor or physical therapist before attempting planks. Modifications like planking against a wall or on your forearms can be more comfortable if you're new to the exercise or have limitations. And remember, pain is your body's way of saying something's not right. Stop and rest if you feel any sharp or shooting pains. Section 9. Beyond the burn mental benefits of planking. Planking isn't just a physical challenge, it's a mental one too. Holding that plank requires focus, determination, and the ability to push through discomfort. This mental resilience translates to other areas of your life, helping you tackle challenges with more confidence and grit. Plus, the deep breathing involved in planking can have a calming effect on the nervous system, reducing stress and improving your mood. Section 10. Consistency is key, unlocking long-term gains. So there you have it. Planking, when done consistently and correctly, is a powerhouse exercise with a whole host of benefits. It strengthens your core, improves posture, boosts metabolism, and even builds mental resilience. Remember, start slow, focus on form, and gradually increase your hold time. And most importantly, enjoy the journey. You've got this.